Welcome back to Charity Farms. My name is Teresa, but you can call me T. Today, we are going to make white chicken chili. It's very easy and very simple. You can either use the canned goods that you have home canned yourself, which is what I like to do, or you can buy these ingredients at the store that are also canned and make it easy and convenient for the busy person that you are. It is a chili, so it's perfect for those cold winter days that are coming our way. I hope you enjoy this video.
Add half of a diced onion to 1 tablespoon of melted butter or animal fat. Then add 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika, 3 teaspoons of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of ground ginger, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 7-ounce can of diced green chilies, a 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. Combine all ingredients, stirring the flour and cooking it for about 30 seconds. Add 1 tablespoon of garlic paste or 2 crushed garlic cloves. Add 1 pint of undrained cooked canned chicken, 1 quart of undrained pinto beans, or 1/16 ounce of store-bought pinto beans. Traditionally, white chicken chili is made with navy beans. Add 2 cups of broth. Stir and let simmer over medium heat for about 20 to 30 minutes until your chili becomes thick. I serve my chili with cheese and crackers. Cheers!
Wasn't that easy? Very healthy, very easy, and you know what's in there. I hope you enjoy this. I hope you like this. I hope you give it a try. Let me know in the comments below what you actually like to add to your chilies. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And until next time, I bless you. Bye.